How to get the best JCPenny coupon codes in 2024. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm really excited to guide you through the process of finding the best JCPenny promo code for 2024. So this is a quite straightforward and there is no need to waste any time. Let's dive right into it. First of all, you have to grab your web browser and enter the search term for the JCPenny promo codes in the search bar. Then you will come across various websites from where you can easily access them. But for this video, I'll go to Coupon Follow, and once you click on it, you will be able to view numerous discounts and coupon codes in the page, such as 25% off, 30% off, 35% off, and more. For this video, let's go for 30% off. Now you have to click on the Show Coupon Code that is highlighted in blue color, and once you do that, you have to simply copy the code and simply click on the Redeem at JCPenny option. Make sure to apply it during your next purchase to enjoy that discount. So now if you go back to our initial search results, there is also numerous other helpful websites worth checking out. So I highly recommend you to search for it because it features additional deals that could be beneficial for you. As you browse, you will see more deals listed, including a great offer for 30% off, and to take the advantage of this deal, simply click on the corresponding code to highlight it and then copy it, and remember to use this code on your next purchase so that you can get an excellent discount as well. This is all the information I wanted to share with you today, and I genuinely hope you found this video helpful. So do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great content like this. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.